as well.
Turning now to our climate in crisis, parts of Europe are sweltering under extreme heat with record-breaking temperatures in the region of the world that have already been grappling with wildfires and severe drought. It is much like what we've been seeing already in our state of California. But this week, the United Kingdom reached a new record of 104.5 degrees Fahrenheit, obliterating the country's previous high of 101.6. It was set just 3 years ago. Now, this is triggering big problems, big fires, a huge increase of which have been happening in the London area. Several homes just engulfed by these flames. NBC News' Megan Fitzgerald explains that this record heat was not predicted to arrive this early.
Just 2 years ago, the state weather agency here in the United Kingdom put out this prediction forecast where they said that in 2050, temperatures were going to hit 40 degrees Celsius, which is 104 degrees. And that prediction eerily came true less than 3 decades later.
Now, experts are now warning that those heat waves are going to become more frequent, longer lasting, and they're going to be a lot hotter. That's very concerning. Meteorologist Carrie Hall has been tracking this really troublesome trend. You've got a closer look for us as well this morning.
Yeah, so we take a look at our temperature trend and our previous climate that we had, and even just a slight shift in our average temperatures causes more extremes, especially on the side of heat. And we take a look at more intense heat waves that mostly happen during late spring to early fall, kind of extending our summers. But then some of the hottest temperatures are possible in areas that have never seen this kind of heat before. And then think back to last year when Seattle hit 108 degrees and Lytton, British Columbia hit 121 degrees. And now we have this record to add. In 2022, we had the first ever 104 degree reading in our changing climate. And as we take a look at what caused that heat wave, more intense areas of high pressure that are slower moving and that cause that record high temperature, but there will be some relief coming in a couple of days. Even here in our country, we're seeing extreme heat. A record after record has been set. And as we head through today, the plains and the Gulf Coast have all of these excessive heat warnings, but it's also the Northeast that's dealing with some extreme heat as well today. So we'll continue to watch this. We'll talk about any changes in our forecast. Mike, you were looking at delays now and later.
Yeah, Carrie, because we can kind of predict the pattern in the mornings, right? So we knew that this was going to have the build north.